The moral argument starts off with the premise that if God does not exist, objective moral values and duties do not exist. The second premise is that objective moral values and duties do exist, and the third premise is that therefore God exists. As we go into this, we are brought with the questions of, is God required for objective moral values? That being said, objective means that it is based on something other than humanity, and not subjective, which is based on humans' choices and decisions on what is and isn't right. If humanity made up its system of morals, then it would only be subjective. And if they were objective, where did they come from? How did nature form objective morals? And how can we be sure that we didn't simply make them up? And the second premise, that they do exist, is hard to deny. There are some attempts to deny it, but it is very obvious that we have the natural desire to do things that we see, that we know and feel are good and right, and we have duties, and some things are above us and have been set in place from the beginning. And if they were only subjective, then why would we continue to follow them? What keeps them in place? And the last one is that God exists because there are objective morals, and this is a logical conclusion of the former two statements.